Guys, I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot your Apple wireless CarPlay. So first of all, you're in a car and then you have your phone up with direction and your Apple CarPlay is grayed out, it's not working. That means like you have to do one of these things. Is you want to swipe from the top right diagonal from your iPhone and go down right here, and you want to see, you tap on here to enlarge it, and you want to make sure your AirDrop is on, as well as your Bluetooth, and you want to do the Wi-Fi as well. So you want to make sure all these three, Wi-Fi, AirDrop, and Bluetooth, is on. And then if this is your first time connecting to the Apple CarPlay, it's gonna ask you to pair the Bluetooth. So you want to go to your system settings, you want to go to Bluetooth, and want to make sure your phone is here. So since your Bluetooth is on your phone, you want to make sure that's your phone. So to find out the phone name right here, you want to go to settings. So go to settings right here, and then you want to go to right here, the general. So yeah, on your settings, go to general right here, and then go to about. About will tell you your phone name. So about, it's gonna tell you right here your iPhone name, which is this one. You can always change to a different name by selecting it, and this is for the version 26.3.1. So you want to make sure you connect it paired to your phone. So just tap on your car. It works the same way for all the cars. So if you have a Bluetooth, and right now you want to go to your map, and then you want to initiate a direction. Let's say we're doing a preview of this, and if it's not working on here, you want to tap on the Apple CarPlay, and sometimes it will pop up more options, and you want to tap on your phone right here, 239, which is my iPhone, and after a little bit it's gonna, okay, so it's gonna show you right here your direction. This is actually connecting, which is great. Sometimes it's not working, so if it's not working, showing up on here, you want to actually let me show you. So Wi-Fi, once you enable it, it will be disconnected in order for Apple CarPlay to work, and is unable. Okay, so it disabled two of these for the Apple CarPlay to work, and that's how you make it work. So sometimes you have to turn off your car, and turn off your car and then restart it, and then disconnect from the Bluetooth. So just go to your Bluetooth, and then you want to actually like disconnect it. Let's say mine was 239, so you just remove it, like remove this, and then do it again, connect to the Bluetooth again with your phone, and restart and do Apple CarPlay again. But CarPlay will work only if you have these like Wi-Fi, AirDrop on, Bluetooth on, and also if you're outside, you want to have cellular data, because your map won't load if you're not you don't have like the map downloaded offline. So right here it's gonna work, and this is for preview, so it's saying this, but yeah, so this is that's how you troubleshoot. I'm gonna show you next video. Please like and subscribe how to troubleshoot more Apple CarPlay in your car. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.